Hello, my name is Robin and I want to thank you very much for taking the time to watch this new video of mine. I'm back at Toronto and I'm here to fly with Delta, and I'm flying on the MD-88 today. Now, it's not the first time that I'm flying with this aircraft, but today I'm flying with a very special friend with me.
Hi.
Hey Blake, how's it going?
Very good. I'm very excited for this one.
Sweet. All right, please come with me. Delta Airlines are located at Terminal 3 of Toronto Pearson Airport. United are the only one of the American Big Three carriers that cannot be found here, and instead reside in Terminal 1 with Star Alliance partner Air Canada. Blake and I had agreed to meet in the terminal at 4 in the morning, where it was buzzing already. But check-in was very smooth, probably thanks to the dozens of self-service check-in kiosks and self-service baggage drop. And like on many Canadian airports nowadays, you pass US Customs pre-clearance right here in Toronto. Airside was still pretty quiet, and the choice in breakfast was somewhat limited at this hour. For some smaller snacks, there's a convenience store, and because they know you're about to leave Canada, of course there are plenty of souvenirs available as well. Now, I'm not big on basketball, but I heard that Toronto did quite well last season. The spa here is part of the Plaza Premium Lounge. If you're not a fan of massages, unlike the lounge itself, it does offer a shower as well. A 20-minute shower sets you back $25. Well, Blake, thank you very much for the opportunity that I can come on a flight with you today.
No, mate, I'm happy to. When you asked to come with me, I couldn't wait. It's somebody's got to be very patient to sit next to me on a flight, that's for sure. So good luck.
Well, this is not the only thing that I want to thank Blake for. I do have a lot to thank Blake for with my channel. I have a lot of growth through his shout out that he did before. And for that, I do want to give him a gift that, well, if you've seen my video earlier that you might have seen. You haven't, because it's not out yet.
No.
And I know you always wear caps.
Okay, I'll definitely wear this on a flight soon. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. It's a nice thought. I've got a seaplane as well.
Yep.
Thank you.
I bought it in Vancouver after my my diverted flight. So.
Well, no, it's too generous. And listen, you deserve it. I mean, I've had it myself with the likes of Jeb Brooks giving me a shout out. It means a lot. And I love your work. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe to his channel and mine, of course, as well.
All right. Thank you very much. And well, let's board the aircraft. The McDonnell Douglas MD-88 we're flying on today was delivered to Delta in April of 1992, making the aircraft almost 28 years old. That's not even the oldest MD-88 in the Delta fleet. The oldest was delivered 5 years before that and is almost 33 years old. After takeoff, we'll have a look at how bad or good it is to fly on an old bird like the MD-88. Back when the MD-88 first started flying for Delta in '87, the aircraft had 142 seats divided between first and coach class. Smoking was still allowed and there was a large galley in the rear. Nowadays, smoking is banned, the galley is removed and the amount of seats slightly increased to 149, with 108 in the main cabin, 25 in Comfort Plus, and 16 seats in first. Of course, Blake has made a trip report of this flight as well, and I do recommend you watch his video to see what he thought of his first time on this aircraft type and his first time trying Biscoff cookies. But before you head over and subscribe to his channel, let's go have a look at the seats in row 32 on board of the MD-88. Though the aircraft is Wi-Fi enabled, there are some takeaways in the interior that this is an older model, including the large crew call and reading light buttons similar to the Boeing 737-400 I flew on a while back. The seat does not have a seatback screen, but you can stream movies to your phone or tablet through the GoGo Entertainment app. The tray table is really basic and lacks an indent for a cup and can't be adjusted either. In the knee area there's a large seatback pocket with plenty of room for a large power bank. Since this seat does not feature a USB port or power socket, I do recommend you bring one if you want to watch any movies, since this can drain your battery. The legroom on the other hand is very good. Among the reading material, a safety card, Wi-Fi guide, in-flight menu, and Delta's in-flight magazine Sky, featuring John Cena. Like with all Delta flights, Delta provide a free drink and a snack. And with a 6 AM departure time and a lack of sleep, I opted for a coffee and a water to wash down the Starbucks taste. I still don't like it. Completely unrelated to the coffee are the lavatories. Like the large buttons, another takeaway that the aircraft is at H. And it's pretty narrow too. Something you don't often see in lavatories in other aircraft is an air vent. Why would you have that in the washroom? Anyway, for my final 2 cents on this flight, do stay tuned until after landing. Oh, we made it to Atlanta after about a 2-hour uneventful flight from Toronto on the MD-88. It was uneventful, and that is probably a good thing if you don't really have to say anything. The only thing I really have to say about the flight is that the crew were really loving what they were doing. So that made this early morning flight a lot better. Having this guy next to me was also a lot of fun.
It's been great fun. Thank you for having me, Robin. Appreciate it.
And he finally had his first Biscoff cookie as well.
Beautiful.
Anyway, that's it for now. I'm gonna go to my next flight right now, and I want to thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you'd like to see more like this, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week.